the topic of tafsir is a very important topic. It's very important, and not only is it important for us to just try to get the tafsir of the Quran, but it's important for us to try to understand how to derive the tafsir of the Quran. That's very important, because anyone could come and do tafsir of the Quran. I could pick up the Quran, I open a page, I read it, and then I say, okay, this is what I understand from the Quran. But do you know what that means? That means I have done tafsir bil ra'i. Basically, tafsir based on my own opinion, and that is haram.
So what tafsir do you recommend?
We will talk about that, inshallah. We will talk about that later. This is a process. We're going to go through how the tafsir should be understood, who has the right to do tafsir, and then we will talk about what tafsir is recommended. Inshallah, we will talk about that. So the hadith from the Imam says, "Man fassara al-Qur'ana bi ra'yih فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ مِنَ النَّارِ." The person who does tafsir on their own, based on their own opinion, then let that person know that their seat in hellfire is prepared for them. So here we understand that Rasulullah, the Ahlul Bayt, and the Quran itself tells us that you cannot understand the Quran independently, and you need someone to come and bring you the meaning of the Quran. And Rasulullah tells us that there are going to be people that are going to fight over this. They're going to try to interpret the Quran in their own way, and they're going to wage war because of their interpretation of the Quran. Otherwise, why was Imam Ali fought? 3 wars were waged against Imam Ali. Because Imam Ali, he had his own view of the Quran. Others, they said, no, this is the view of the Quran. After that, all of the Imams, why were they persecuted? Because they wanted to interpret the Quran the way Rasulullah said, this is the way it should be interpreted. When Rasulullah, before he died, what does he say? He says, "Inni tarikum fikum al-thaqalayn." I'm leaving behind the 2 weighty things. Kitab Allah wa itrati, the book of Allah and my family. And then Rasulullah, he says, "Lan yaftariqa," they shall never separate from one another. They are parallel to one another until they reach me on the Hawd of Kawthar.